2003 Chevrolet Silverado, 3/4 ton HD, extended cab, 2-wheel drive. With the 6.6 liter Duramax turbo diesel engine. This truck is in really nice condition. Alloy wheels with Michelin tires. Got the pull-out extending power tow mirrors with turning signals in the mirrors as well. It's got some aluminum running boards. It has a spray-in above the rail bed liner. With the trailer tow package. The paint is all in really nice condition. And it's a quad cab, so it's got the back doors that open as well to make it a 4-door. With power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, heated mirrors. It's got the Bose factory sound system all throughout. Power leather seats. Allison automatic transmission. It's got the 6-disc CD player and changer. Dual climate control, air conditioning. And the truck has 470 kilometers. Interior is all in really nice shape. All the original floor mats. You can view this Duramax diesel at Kolenberg Motors at 3537 Couch and Lake Road in Duncan.